Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see another chapter in the HTML, and also we have created the playlist for this HTML. So for the tutorial, and we have covered the almost like what is the HTML, means introduction of the HTML, and what are the tags, what is the basic structure of the HTML, and what is the header tags, and also what is the paragraph tag we have discussed in the previous videos. If you haven't gone through it, you can go through the HTML playlist. Okay. Now let's see what is the next chapter we have. That is, what is the anchor tag? So first of all, the thing is like we need to understand what is the anchor tag and what is the purpose of this anchor tag. So, when it comes to the anchor tag, what is the purpose of this and what is the anchor tag means? The anchor tag is an tag or element that is used for to make it as a hyperlink. Okay. So, in this anchor tag, we have to use one of the attribute that is called as a H reference. So what is this H reference will give means what is the purpose of this H reference is means. So whenever like you want to make that element to be a clickable, or you want to navigate to the another web page or any files. So at that time you want to specify where it has to be navigate, that I have to give that URL in the H reference. Okay. So that is the purpose of this H reference attribute in this. So, and first of all, we should know about the what is the attribute. The attribute means, so it gives us some additional information to that particular tag. Okay, so that is called as a H reference attribute. Okay, so that attribute should be written within the tag, the start tag itself. Okay, so now let's see that what is the purpose of this anchor tag means. The tag a anchor tag is a fundamental for creating links that allows user to navigate between different web pages or the section within the same pages also. Okay, so the example you can see here, a h reference equals to URL. That h reference is an attribute and which is written within the anchor tag itself. Okay, and here is the element. Okay, so let's see with the practical itself. Okay, so now let me create a one file here that is called as anchor tag. Okay, dot html. So let me go with the shift plus 1 and enter it, so it will create the basic structure of that. Okay, now let me create an anchor tag. So click press on the A from the your keyboard and enter, so it will give the structure for you. So here a h reference equals to, so I have need to give the what URL here. So let me go with the some URL which I can give. Okay, so let me go here and let me take one of the cloudinstitution.com. Okay, so let me go with this, or let me remove this and try to use only the HTTP cloud. Okay, so here I'll add that URL here and let me use the element like cloud institution. Okay, and save it and run that. You can see, so it has become like a link clickable. Okay, so you can, it will redirect to the what another page whichever I have given the URL. Okay, so it has navigated to the one of the website whichever the URL I have given in the H reference. Okay, so it is opening in the same page now. Okay, yeah, so now you can see that is underlined. If I remove the what, for example, if I don't give any H reference, what happens? Okay, so see here, so I'll just get this one. It will be normal text. It won't be like a clickable link. Okay, so the H reference is a must, which if you want to make it as a link. Okay, so you have to add the H reference and the URL which you want to add the website or any like with file or which you want to rewrite. So that is what you have to give it in the anchor tag. Okay. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. And if you guys like this video, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends and also subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.